Realm utilizes data from your local area to guide you through the entire renovation process. Their free dashboard makes it super easy to see how much home equity you have available for financing your renovations, and it's also a great place to find cost estimates in your area for the different projects that you might be considering. My favorite free feature is the Project Planner tool that shows how much a particular renovation project will increase the value of your home, which is really helpful if you're thinking about resale value in the future. Once you're ready to move forward with a renovation project, you can opt to pay a deposit for Realm's advisory service, where you'll get a personal advisor that will use data and local experience to help you make all the smart choices throughout the process, all the way until your project is successfully completed. So for instance, your advisor will help determine which projects are feasible within your local zoning and building code, and they'll provide you with personalized, detailed reports with accurate cost estimates and which projects have the highest return on investment based on your local material and labor costs. Your Realm advisor will also help guide you through the financing options, including how to take advantage of the equity in your home to pay for the renovation project. Once you decide on a project and how to pay for it, your advisor will identify several highly vetted contractors for you, and then they'll help you negotiate on multiple bids to get you the best possible pricing. After you sign with a contractor, you'll actually be reimbursed for that deposit that you made for the advisory service, and your advisor will continue to ensure that the project remains on schedule and also serve as a resource for you until the project is completed. I've included my affiliate link for Realm down below in the description, where you'll get $150 off any deposit you make for Realm's advisory service.